The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, kiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyong Rim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
La pelong ya jing rakhe ya ke International Youth Day, but ya ke Youth Award Ceremony aja pun rio. Jong ke Indian Scout and Guide Fellowship hanong ba Shillong ha khatar trek nailar aja pun rio. Ya ke ni ke jingelang la penbit penbiang da ke Meghalaya Scout and Guide Fellowship. Ba la pelipat ba Dopat Mashri Dr. Syed MH Kirmani undang ilek kai cricket berem ke India baut National President jong ke Indian SGF. Kidan kembasan sepangut kinang isim benta. Kibakan top ya ki opsa jong ke Indian SGF, State SGF, Railways SGF. Bat ki kena nagi skol baper bat ki samla jong ke jela. Kladan kharangot kinang yu akusnam haga kerdan national. Pat sangut kinang yu akusnam haga kerdan international. Na Sri Lanka bat Maldives. Haka balapan kupurom di kusnam baper ki balapan panada ke Indian Scout and Guide Fellowship. Hadian kata haka janmiet ki opsar jong ke Indian SGF Meghalaya SGF bekinang yu kusnam kilalet Chaluk Bhawan penyekendu yulat ke Meghalaya u CH Vijaya Shankar u Dr. Syed MH Kirmani bat u MAK Maxi u badai u Presiden Eksekutif jong ke Indian SGF. Kila ay ka jingkren ciki kena skol bat ciki samla. Balapan buat pat ya ka jingkren na kinang yu kusnam haka kerdan national bat international. Ulat ulapan pau ya ka jing songo bat airu ya ka jing yero. Halo ka jing IT lot jong kinang job jong kinang yu kusnam. Ulakan tu ya ki scout bat ki guide. Banyabat ya ka jing long bah khamat ya ka kam nong yelam. Ka jing renti ba ka jing syakri ya ka emlang ka salang. Kumsi banta jong kani ka program la pelong ru ya ka run for peace. Haka jing jengai kapasan kilometer daka jing kerjaan jok Department of Sports and Youth Affairs ka Sarkar Meghalaya. Haka ni ka jing mare lai shimanta di kidikot jok Indian Scout and Guide Fellowship. Ki scout bat ki guide ki bawan na ki skol ba per hanong ba Shillong.
As ambassador of the Indian SGF, I'm really happy that Shillong and Meghalaya are hosting this year's celebrations. It's a big welcome to all the young awardees from India and abroad. Special mention to the people coming in from the Maldives, from Sri Lanka and from Indonesia. Every year the Indian SGF awards young awardees in gratitude to Swami Vivekananda for the exemplary work that they do, and each and every one of these awardees truly deserves this award. Youth today are our future. They are the foundation on which the future generations and our country and the world is going to be built, and my warm welcome to all of them. Let's use the opportunity to spread 3 important messages. Stop unnecessary honking. Please use patience and peace in public spaces. Commit to sustainable development and ensure that we protect our planet for future generations. And also be a responsible global citizen. My sincere thanks to the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and the Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar for their sincere support and guidance through this event. Without their efforts, this would not have been possible. Heartiest greetings to every Indian SGF member, and also a sincere thanks to the Meghalaya SGF for conducting this event. Once a scout, always a scout. Let's serve and smile.
Is kata baik smart card sangnya sangka.
Snya kan ka dari MSIS. Ma.
Gak jingir apa saya lalu yang sortar, hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hapsa dari sama. Adhar MHIS KP.
Untuk lah ikan ketar kata.
Jadi konfi hap admit ka hostel. Tahap lek pi ka registration. Tele dam pi de smart card. Tersampah cok.
Oh dokter dan lah ya.
Yang ni kon pi hap lek operation ni yo. แต่ความกล้ามต่อครับปัญญาในพี่อยากไปสร้างตะก้าครับและ operation นี้แต่ว่า PM MHIS การพี่และนี่ก็ smart card แต่ก็ทำไปเอาเรื่องพี่
Ari na pagi mo nila iyo yo pag sa sumar niya kon. Abang dari next year iyo sumar. Kembali si Bona, kalau iya lah atau percangga fu niya.
Ini kan mana dia smart card? Oh, kan teh. Kembali si Bon, mau.